Welcome to Positano! Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on a solo adventure to one of the most iconic destinations on the Amalfi Coast, Positano, Italy. That's right, I said solo as Meg's in Rome right now. In this video, I'll be showing the best things to do in Positano if you only have a couple of hours here, including breathtaking viewpoints, places to drink at, and where to shop in Positano without getting ripped off. I'll also be taking you through the colorful streets of Positano, highlighting hidden gems, and sharing 3 Instagram-worthy spots you need to absolutely check out. So whether you're planning your own Italy travel itinerary, going on a tour, or just dreaming of coastal getaways, this video has something for you. So sit back, relax, and join me on an unforgettable journey to Positano, Italy. So the tour I took actually took me to Pompeii first, and we were in the afternoon now, and we were heading straight to Positano. I would like to say it was quick to get there, but if you know anything about the Amalfi Coast, do not drive if you don't have to. Before getting to Positano, they actually let us off at this one stop, and we're able to take pictures there. It was perfect. Yeah, if you get on a good tour, you will get these type of views here, and this is somewhere where they can actually pull over. So check it out. Kind of show you around where the stop is. I'll actually drop a pin and then link that in the description. I gotta get going. We gotta get back on that bus because I gotta get to Positano. Now, because those big buses cannot fit in Positano, they have to drop us off about 5-10 minutes before, and we take these shuttle buses. It was really quick to get there, and soon enough, we were in the town, and I couldn't wait to check out this incredible place for the afternoon. I would not be bringing babies here, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do when you're a parent, hey? So yeah, we're in Positano. Finally got here. You can tell we're here. This is wild. I mean, even in April, it's busy. I don't think it ever gets not busy. Maybe in December. So before getting down to the beach, I ended up noticing the square where the church was. This is the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. I highly recommend checking out this little area, getting some pictures. It's a really nice view. You'll love it. Oh wow. So yeah, so just got here, got a little bit of time here, wish it was longer. I do know now I want to come back, I want to stay here. This whole Amalfi is amazing, but you know, taking a little tour like this from Rome is exactly, if you don't know or you didn't want to spend the money or you just didn't have the time, know you need to book a tour and a trip out this way for sure. I can't even imagine what Sorrento's like as well, but this is Positano. Definitely the iconic area. This is what you want to see. I'm going to come up there eventually, try to get a really good picture. Apparently you only need to walk another 10 minutes up, which is a lot, but it's not too bad. Walked a lot of towers on this trip, so we're good. But I'm going to try to find a drink quick, and then I got to check out some shops, enjoy it. You know, this is that taste of just knowing this is exactly where I want to be next time. I'm going to check out this Blue Bar. Let's go. We are at the Blue Bar here in Positano. It's a little chilly, there's some winds. They actually had to close down the one side. You might get that sometimes, but mostly the weather's gonna be absolutely incredible. That's what everyone comes here for, those iconic buildings, that weather, these type of amazing places to go drink. I'm gonna have a slice of pizza, might as well. I'm a little hungry anyway, so let's go. Yeah, other than that, I'm gonna check out some shops, check out the bell tower and the church as well earlier. Other than that, you know what, there is supposed to be another picture point. I'd like to walk up there this time and check it out and maybe do a little bit of shopping again, and who knows, then I gotta split back to Rome where Megan's at. So either way, I'm having a great time. This is exactly what I wanted and what I needed for you know, a day like this. Thank you so much, that was awesome. Perfect, thank you. You're welcome. We got margarita. Oh my gosh, this is making a mess already. Here, check this out. Margarita pizza, pina colada, margarita pizza. So they just sell these pizzas by the slices, which is actually really awesome. Yeah, that's great. Sure. It's so good. Oh, exactly what I needed. See that place? That place is a great place for a drink too. Also, the views, like, it's crazy. Try to get more on this side of, like, where you'd always see all the Positano buildings. It's beautiful. That's where you're gonna want to get your pictures, right here. Look at that. So So this place, if you can't find it, I'll actually just put it in a pin there and kind of put the link down in the description. You'll see that photo spot as well. There's one more up top I want to show you. It's about 10 minutes away, but otherwise, let's keep going. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping and then make my way up. So let's check this out. You take a picture here, you're gonna get all obstructed, so you just go just a little bit back, I don't know, 30 meters, whatever it is, and go there and take your picture, because then you're gonna have all the people, unless there's no one here, but usually there's people here. Still incredible, but you know what I'm saying, so a little different. I love it over there. That's why I take my pictures there. And yeah, somebody told me about another photo stop, so I do want to check that out, but let's go and see what we can find in some of these stores. Christmas lemon, why not? We are on the incline now again here. Had to get my Christmas bulb because you know how crazy I am with that. I got my own account. If you don't know, me and Megan have a Christmas account, but whatever, that's another thing. We ain't talking about Christmas right now, it's about Positano. We'll put out a Christmas special here later on this year of all of our other stuff, so it don't matter. But yeah, they got tons of linens, clothes, everything. It's crazy out here. One thing I like about Positano, I don't know, I doubt there's pickpocketers here. There might be, but in reality, everyone's usually pretty well off here, so you don't gotta worry about that. Just in this other store now. Look, they got Christmas. Oh, my gosh. It's 550 euros for that little tree. It's 18,500 for this one. I don't want to get close to this place now. That one. This one. Are you kidding me? 18,000 euros for that little tree? Man, I hope Michelangelo sculpted that one. Holy, that is wild. Mamma mia on that one, you know? That's a 5 out of 5 Mamma Mia's for this place here. I don't even know what the bottle of wine is going to cost now. I think I should just leave. It's expensive. I don't have money for that stuff. I don't have money for even bumping into anything here. Bet you their bags are like $80. 25? What? No way. They are expensive. Look at that. What's going on with people? With a little Christmas ornament. At least it was nicely decorated. It was 20 euros. I thought it was expensive still, but you know, I'd pay that if it's nice. You know, but that 35 for this ugly thing? Well, what's going on here? Why are you doing that, Positano? I don't get it. I gotta see what this one is. This guy here. 260 euros for that ugly dude. I'm sure I could find a nicer one in, I don't even know, Walmart. This is crazy. I gotta leave. I'm gonna end up breaking something walking around here. I'm out of here. This place is a rip-off. No, this is what it is. This is Positano. You're gonna spend more. Prices are jacked up like crazy, but rich people come here, so it's what it is. Like a flaming lemon here. I don't want to know the price of like this stuff, but we're gonna find out just because it's crazy. This place is messed up. Here, we just gotta go through all the gauntlet of people. All right, Positano people. Look at this. Limoncello. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these prices aren't that bad at all, actually. I mean, I'm seeing like €3 for soap. It's kind of cool. Look at this little yellow soap. I'm gonna buy that for Megan right now. She's gonna get it and fall in love with me. I guarantee she's gonna propose to me before we leave. No, I'm joking. I'm joking, Meg. Anyways, I'm gonna get these. See what I got from my mom. I think she likes lemon. Lemon's fun. Well, you know. What's this? Lemon candles. Huh. They got these little ones too. These are nice. They're in a box so then I won't break it. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of these for my mom. Some lemon soap for Megan. It's gonna be fun times here. Actually, and the prices aren't too bad, so just remember that. Place with the lemon on fire, it's pretty good. Not bad for prices here for Positano. Okay, we're walking and it's busy and you got traffic going too. Just remember that it's not pedestrian only here. And the sidewalks are not that big, so just remember that. We are going to this viewpoint. I hope it's good. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it's great. I don't see it being bad. It's Positano. I mean, everything's beautiful here, except for those prices. That one store, don't go there. It's a ripoff. I don't know what's going on here. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, geez. Sorry, I'm a tourist there. I don't know what I'm doing here. All right. Hello. Hello, everyone. Yeah. So we'll just keep walking. Just keep walking. People are friendly and great. Happy to spend all their life savings to be here. It's great. Great place, Positano. Love it. But no, it's not too bad. Honestly, you probably find deals like, well, maybe not deals, but I mean, like, just, you know, places that aren't as crazy expensive. It's just like anywhere you go. It really did. Hell, you can spend like, what, $50,000 on a room in Vegas. So really, what does this matter? Seriously. Like, everyone always asks, is it expensive? You know what? Here's the thing. Yeah, it probably is expensive, but you know what? It's expensive everywhere. You know, Banff, Canada, where I live a few hours away from, that's expensive. Heck, Jasper's expensive. It's crazy. So, I mean, I stayed in a villa there in Santorini, with my own pool, and spent more in Mexico staying at a random resort. So, really, you know, what's expensive? I don't know. You'd be the judge. All right, I think we found our spot. More people are kind of over there, kind of over here a little bit, so they're getting a beautiful shot. I'll pin this one in the description as well. I gotta put in my Google Maps just so I don't forget about it as well. Just so I'm giving you the right place. Boom, here it is. Yeah, that's what you want. Oh my gosh. Now that is Positano. Wow. You know what, people go here, spending money and everything. It's crazy. All right, here's the biggest thing, you know, what I'm guilty for as well. Like everyone else, they just take pictures and they run down. They don't enjoy the beauty, they don't enjoy the moment. Take it in, you know, take your pictures, take your whatever you need to take, your videos, your vlogs, whatever. But man, remember this view. Like this is, it's pretty unreal. So you're gonna spend a few minutes just admiring it, checking it out. I love that kind of style. That's how I've been lately. You know, I used to just rush and blow through some stuff, but you're gonna really appreciate not doing that. So. Yeah, overall review, amazing, like incredible. No wonder it's one of the most top places on this planet to go. I get it, but you know, be careful with those shops. They do charge a lot differently. So just if you're not in a rush, maybe check out a few places for prices, and you might actually get a free meal out of it because you might save enough to do that. Well, you know, depending on what you eat, I guess. But for me, I like my pizza, I like my drinks, I like my food. I like to keep it classless, even if it's in Positano or wherever. It don't matter. I don't care. So, I don't know how good you can see me right now. It is starting to rain. Looks like I got some spots on this camera now. God damn it. Man, if you want your lemons, no matter what you want, you got lemon everything. It's crazy out here. Oh, okay. All right. No, that's all good. I just don't buy anything from you then. It's fine. Everyone else is happy with me videoing them. So. All right, we're leaving here. We're leaving here. They're mean. Those other lemon people were nicer. Go to the lemon place. Just buy everything there. Seriously. Don't fool with no video. Why? What do you think that's going to do? It's not like Michelangelo art. It's lemons. Anyways. It stopped raining again. Cool. Or kind of. I don't know. See if we can find any like snacks. I'd like to find like a gelato, but I passed by one. I thought there would be more. I don't know. Either way, if I don't get it, I'll have it with Megan tonight in Rome. It really don't matter. This is how we're rolling today. We've got to duck and dodge and zig and zag through these people. Because remember, this is not pedestrian friendly or only. There will have little cars, and I guarantee they will run your ass over here. So be careful. I think it's like art place. I don't know what this was. There's a little art gallery here of weird lemon things. Oh yeah, look at that. People Instagramming their lemons. That's fun. Instagram for lemons. Hey. Beautiful view. Oh, they're going crazy too. They don't. I don't think they're supposed to sit there. I don't know if they're getting kicked out or something. Yeah, we'll see if we can find any gelato or whatever. If we can't, I don't care. I'll just get in Rome, like I said. Whatever. We'll be back there in a few hours anyways. But this was incredible. So cool. Like, just check this out. Instead of looking at me here, jet this out, man. This is like jetting out. Boom. All these crazy cliffs. It's beautiful. It really is. It's Megan's dream. Just a bunch of Positano cats. Wow. We don't have time to personalize cats. I'll have to find that somewhere else, another country here. Honestly, the street up here has pretty nice little cafes, and love all the glass they sell and ceramics. I don't like those lights. I don't know what's going crazy on me. Anyways, we are back at the square here. I gotta see what time it is, but I'm destined. There's gotta be some ice cream place somewhere. Oh my gosh, she got a baby there. All right, 4:45, we got a little bit of time, but not much time. I can see how far that place was. I mean, it's Positano, it can't be that far. It's farther than the place I bought that those candles from. Then no, but just remember the lidded lemon is where you need to go. Just remember that. Oh yeah, but no, if you want some fancy shoes and things like that, you can get those too. Probably pay premium dollars, but you can get them. And they do have bank machines, and you're gonna really get. Oh yeah, I can. Oh, well, I don't know. This is a bank right here. So I say instead of that ATM, go to this bank over here. You might actually get go there, San Paulo, because the ATMs will rip you off. So just remember that. Yeah, they actually have banks here, so don't worry about that. Okay, it's farther than the lidded lemon, so I already committed to that. I'm gonna keep going up here instead. So I should have got it before, but maybe they got it up over past the tobacco shop. Tobacco shop is the red one that I never showed you actually first. Let me show you this one here. So you know where you were in the square. So it's basically, that's like your fork in the road. I call that like central square, we'll call it actually. There, the tobacco shop. That's what I'm calling it. All right, it's right over here where this bus is. See this bus? See the tobacco shop? That's where you want to go. Right here. There it is right there. Wow, this is crazy. This is like your central square. Thank you so much. Excuse me. All right, we're gonna run over here. See these ladies. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping. Hang that up. Jesus Christ. All right. Dropping things. I can't afford. I gotta get out of here. Those pants probably cost 900 euros. Let's get out of here. Yeah, it's busy. Definitely come here with Megan someday. Someday, some way, somehow, we'll make it happen. But for now, this is the vlog you get. This is the vlog you get of Positano. I was gonna say Santorini. Positano. This is the vlog you get of Positano. So hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you loved. I love going through the Amalfi Coast. You can see what other shots you're gonna get through that tour bus. You actually get really good ones, surprisingly. But unless I find gelato in the next 2 minutes, I don't think it's gonna happen, y'all. So anyways, yeah, stay classless. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.